Hey, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I'm so excited to show you the fashionable vintage style backpack my husband has been using. BOSTANTEN men leather backpack is beautifully made. I love how it's handcrafted from luxurious materials. This is a very high quality leather imported from Italy. And once you touch it, you feel right away the quality. I love the details. For example, the logo and the double zipper make it stand out and give it so much elegance. Also, I really appreciate how they reinforce their stitches so you can feel comfortable adding plenty of weight. You're gonna see the back is padded, which makes it super comfortable and it's not gonna be digging on your shoulder. And also, the breathable material makes it very unique as well. It also has this convenient luggage strap, so it's perfect for when you go traveling. Not only is this a very fashionable backpack, but it's also very practical. It's very lightweight. You can fit plenty of items. My husband loves bringing it everywhere, and he truly appreciates the multiple pockets because he can fit everything in a very organized way. He's received so many compliments, and I know you will too if you get one. This backpack from BOSTANTEN is so unique. It's fashionable, it's very masculine, it's good quality. I highly recommend it, and that is my point of view.